In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a buy now button on Blogger. Now, I have a Thailand blog, and let's say we wanted to add a buy now button, which will allow someone to either buy a product or a service on Blogger. Now, there are a couple of ways that you might want to do this. It really depends on exactly what you're trying to achieve, but I'll walk you through both of these right now. And there are more options as well, but I'll just give you an overview on how you can achieve this. So if you've got a Blogger blog, probably you've got a niche and you either want to sell a service or a product. So you need to decide which of those you want to sell, because you might want to use different platforms and different ways of doing this, right? So I have a Thailand blog. I've then gone to posts and I can then click on my blog post. And what I can do is I can add a buy now button to this blog post. Now, let's say, for example, we wanted to add a buy now button, which will allow someone to buy a digital product. Now, you can't actually upload and sell digital products on Blogger, but you can create a button which redirects to, for example, like a checkout page. So what we could do is we could write out here the digital product name and make this a buy now button. So maybe we put buy now, and for example, the product I'm trying to sell is a Southeast Asia travel guide. So we'll type that in here and we'll also put the price, which is going to be $27. Now, what we could do is we could highlight this and we could link it to a specific checkout page or an additional landing page, right? Now, you might need to use another website to get this done. So here I have a Southeast Asia travel guide, and this is a product which I've created and I've uploaded to a website called PayHip. PayHip allows you to build a landing page and it allows you to essentially sell. Because Blogger is just a blogging platform, you can't upload digital products to it or take payment. You have to use a third-party website or software. So if you have a digital product to sell, go to payhip.com and you can sign up, and I've got a full video on this. You can go to products and you can upload your digital product and set the price. So here is the Southeast Asia travel guide. I've also got full guide to navigating the Philippines. Now, once you've done this and you've added your payment details, you can use this page as kind of like a checkout page, a page where you can send your audience from Blogger. And then from here, they can add it to the cart and they will be able to then check out and pay. And PayHip will handle all of the payments and then you can get money from PayHip. If you wanted to do it this way and you've created your product, you would then just copy this link. And then what you would do, where you've written buy now, you would then link this to your PayHip page and it will allow people to click on your product, go to the landing page and then buy it. If you just want to offer your services though, you can use Stripe. Now, Stripe allows you to create payment links, but I don't think it allows you to actually give a digital product in return. So this would only be for paying and buying services. You can go to payment links and you can create a payment link here. So if you go new, you can add a product. Let's say here, like we're selling YouTube management, right? You can then obviously create this. You can put the price of the product and you can create a link, and then you could link this to your text in Blogger, right? It all depends on what you're trying to sell and what you're trying to achieve here. If you've got a digital product, you need to use something like PayHip or an additional software to actually host the product. But once you've done this, we can now update and we'll preview this, right? So let's have a look. Here is the Blogger blog. We're in the preview mode. And if someone wanted to buy this product, they could click on it and it should take them to our product. Let's get out of preview mode and double check. So here we are actually in the blog. If someone was to click throughout our blog, they then clicked on our link, it would then take them to PayHip where we could then sell them this product. Now, I think this is the best way to do it if you've got a digital product to actually sell. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful and if you're going to use any of these services.